my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Hey, what's going on? It's your boy LSR254, and in this video, we are going to be, I don't know, I guess unboxing. I already unboxed it and put it together. But a closer look at the Central Machinery 12-speed bench drill press. Let's get into it. All right, y'all. So, as y'all know, we were talking about it in a live. I was talking about getting a bench drill, a drill press, due to space, etc. This is the best one as well as price. As you can see, this is about how tall it stands, and that's next to a vehicle. There's a 22-inch rim, so I guess it's taller than 22 inches, I would say. Or whatever the diameter is with the tire on there. But yeah, got it put together. The assembly was fairly straightforward. Comes with easy to understand directions. I'm not gonna go through the directions because I'm pretty sure everyone here is capable of reading. Because if you're thinking about operating a drill press, I guess it comes as just one of those things. If you want to change the drill speed, this is what I didn't know. When I was shopping for one, I was just like, okay, we need 12 speed, go faster just in case we need to get through something. Or it not take all day to drill through something. So this was 12 speeds, 370, 470, 570. All the way up to 2,900 RPM, as you can see there. How that's changed, right here at the top, just open that up. There's 2 screws here, one on this side, one on the opposite side, that you will loosen. I'll go ahead and do it for you here now. So when you loosen those screws, it allows you to move the motor. And as you can see, the tension has changed here. So once you do that, say that we want to put it at 1760. So you go very top. Yeah, so you go very top spindle on this side, which would be this one right here. And then you go next to the bottom on this one. Yeah, so it's 4 on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4 on that one. So very top one on that one, and next to bottom on that one. So I'll get that changed out and then turn you back on. All right, so as you can see, next to bottom one there, and then the very top one on this side gives us 1760 RPM. RPM, rotations per minute. So yeah, let me get it up on the up on the workbench and we'll go from there. So the drill bits, or the drill bit that I purchased today when I bought the drill was this Hercules 6 inches extended length drill bit. It may be a little bit of overkill, but we'll see. So let me get it installed and we'll just take it on a little test. I got a piece of metal here and we'll just drill through it and see how that goes. You see the thickness there. But yeah, let's give it a little test run of his first expose, or whatever you want to call it. All right, so now as you can see, we got our drill bit installed. Also picked up these clamps, swivel pad lock grip pliers. I think I've seen them on a video or something. That way you can hold whatever you're trying to drill in place. For some stuff, it may work better than others. For this, it's gonna work just fine as we just do a test or demonstration on this. So let's set up the cameraman and then get y'all a close-up of this. Oh yeah, also always make sure you use eye protection. All right, so as you can see, that is a hole. That is a hole. As I make more attempts or whatever to drill holes and stuff, then I'm pretty sure I'll become more familiar with what speeds need to be used for, I'm saying, either certain metals or whatnot. But I mean, it didn't take long. And I guess that was my biggest thing. Everything that just happened could be perfectly normal. I'm just, like I said, new to this, so. Let me give you the specs on the bit. So the bit that I'm using, black oxide from Hercules, Harbor Freight. And I mean, it got the job done. So, yeah, it works. Like I said, we do have the RPM set up at like what, 1750, something like that. So I mean, that may be too fast. But like I said, when as I do this more, I'll find out more information. What's a decent speed? What's too fast? What's too slow? Certain speeds for different materials, etc., But yeah, there it is. But like I said, it didn't take long. Probably real time, it only took maybe a minute, if that. So this is a pretty, that's about a quarter, maybe about a 1/4 inch thick. So you can make it happen. You can make it happen. I don't know what's so intriguing about that little hole, like the way it looks. It's cool, I like it. But yeah, as you can see, perfectly straight, no issues, everything like that. So I definitely would recommend this. If you have any tips for me as a beginning drill presser, drop them down in the comments down below. So till the next one, it's your boy LSR254. Remember, identify your weakness, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.